Alright, so in this video, we're going to be solving another function value problem. In the previous video, I solved this same particular problem, but with different question entirely. So, and I remember that I said a function is an algebraic equation with the same, variable. What do I mean by variable? If this is f of x, all the terms in this variable, this particular function has to be with respect to x apart from the constant term. So let's go straight to the point. So here we have minus 2 into bracket f of minus 1, then close bracket plus f of minus 2. So what we do first, just following the concept of BODMAS, is to do what we have inside the bracket. That is f of minus 1. So the question is, what is f of minus 1? F of minus 1 is the same thing as what? F of x at what? At x is equal to what? Minus 1. That is what it means. And we know our f of x to be equal to 3x, plus 2. So we can use that to determine our what? F of minus 1. So in that case, we can therefore say that what? F of minus 1 implies wherever we see x, we replace with minus 1. That will be what? 3 into bracket minus 1, right, plus 2. And 3 times minus 1, that is minus 3, right, plus 2. And minus 3 plus 2 will give us what? Minus 1. So f of minus 1 is minus 1, okay? Then we now need to find f of minus 2 before we now plug it in here. So let me increase the page, pardon me. So we want to find f of what? Minus 2. So f of minus 2, f of what? Minus 2, in this case will now be what? 3 into bracket minus 2. Let me get the equation correctly. 3 into bracket minus 2 plus 2, okay? Right, then plus what? 2. So 3 times minus 2, that's minus 6. Minus 6 plus 2, that will give us what? Minus what? 4. So therefore, we can now write minus 2 into bracket what? F of minus 1, right? Then plus f of what? Minus 2 to give us what? Minus 2 into bracket f of minus 1 gives us what? Minus 1, then close the bracket, plus f of minus 2, that is minus what? 4. So this one will now be minus 2 times minus 1, that's minus times minus plus 2 times 1, that is what? 2. Minus times, plus times minus, that's minus what? 4. So 2 minus 4, in this case, will give us what? Minus what? 2. So the solution to that particular problem, this particular A part is minus 2. Then let's go to B part. B part is f of minus 1 over 2x plus 1. So for B we have what? F of what? Minus 1 over 2x, right, plus 1. So I'll do something here because the equation is up there. I have to recall that f of x, right, is equal to what? 3x plus 2. Let me confirm. F of x is 3x plus 2. Yes, I can confirm it from here. So now, what is f of minus 1 over 2x plus 1? F of minus 1 over 2x plus 1 implies that what? X is equal to what? Minus 1 over 2x plus 1. So wherever we see x, we replace it by minus 1 over 2x plus 1. Then we move on. So we now say, so therefore, f of what? Minus 1 over 2x plus 1 will now be equal to what? 3, right, into bracket what? X in this case is what? Minus 1 over 2x, right, plus 1. Then everything was plus 2. All right. So at the end of it, we can now open the bracket using 3. So this will give us 3 times minus 1. That is minus 3 over 2 what? X. Then 3 times 1 plus 3. Then plus what? 2. The bracket has already been opened. So this will return minus 3 over 2x plus 3 plus 2. That will give us what? 5. So the final answer to what? F of what? Minus 1 over 2x plus 1, right, is minus 3 over 2x plus 5. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like our videos, and comment. See you in the next video. Thank you.